Wind and Sun, Part 1. Long ago, wind and sun were not friends. Wind would push sun away to show how strong he was. Sun would then shine as bright as she could to show off her strength. And so sun and wind would argue all day long. One day, exhausted from all the fighting, Sun challenged Wind to a contest. "Whoever wins is the stronger one," declared Sun. Sun pointed to a man far below on the frozen ground. The man was taking a journey through the woods. It was almost winter, and the traveler wore a long, heavy cape. "To prove who is stronger," continued Sun, "let's see who can make the traveler remove his cape." "No problem," yelled Wind. Wind knew he would win and quickly agreed to the contest. "A few strong blasts from me," he thought to himself, "and the cape will fly right off the man's back." Part 2. The contest began. Suddenly, Wind blew a long, cold, gusty breeze. Trees swayed and leaves fell to the ground. The man had to clutch his cape tightly so it wouldn't blow away. Then Wind gave one more furious blast. He blew with all his might. Birds clutched the tree branches. Chipmunks and squirrels ran for cover. The poor traveler closed his eyes to keep out flying twigs and leaves. Wind was stronger than ever. The man struggled against Wind's force as he continued his journey along the path. Finally, Wind was exhausted and could not even let out a soft breeze. When Wind stopped, the man began to loosen his grip. Wind was furious that he could not make the man remove his cape. "I give up," Wind called to Sun. "It's your turn." Part 3. Sun was ready. Ever so gently, she aimed her rays at the exhausted traveler on the cold, hard path. Soon, the air was warmer and the ground became softer. Slowly, Sun grew brighter and brighter, hotter and hotter. As he felt warmer, the man no longer needed to wrap the cape so tightly around his shoulders. He began to loosen the cape just a bit. Then Sun shined at her brightest and hottest. Sun's strong, burning rays were unbearable. The traveler could not put up with the heat any longer. He stopped and removed the cape completely before continuing on his journey. "I can't believe it!" exclaimed Wind. "How did you get the man to remove his cape?" "It was easy," replied Sun. "I did it gently, not by force. Little by little, I pushed the man to loosen his cape until he removed it. I won the contest, so I am stronger." Sun and Wind never again argued about who was stronger. To this day, Wind reminds himself, "Do not brag about being strong. You may find out that you are wrong."